Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. As per the time I'm making this video, Rigathi Gachagua does not prefer Fred Okengo Matiang'i. In fact, he prefers Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And Rigathi Gachagua is not keen laying his support behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i as far as 2027 presidential election is concerned. In many occasions, Rigathi Gachagua has warned Fred Okengo Matiang'i. In fact, he has given him conditions. And one of the conditions is that Fred Okengo Matiang'i should have Gusii, that is Upper Gusii community, 100% behind him.
Lakini ataongoza vipi? Lazima apigiwe kura na watu ya Kenya. Hizi kura atapigiwa na watu ya Kenya. Itakuwa namna gani mimi niambie watu ya Mlima Kenya tuunge Fred Matiang'i mkono kama yeye hajatuonesha kwa dhihirisho ya kwamba nyumbani ameungwa mkono kikamilifu. Kwa hivyo jambo la kwanza, tuko pale presidential candidate wengi, mimi niko pale. Nataka kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Atuoneshe na ushahidi ya kwamba ameunganisha jamii ya nyumbani 2.5 hapo nayo kwa meza. Sasa ndio tuanze kuulizana, okay, kwa Fred Matiang'i umekuja na 2.5, fine. Formula gani tutaweza fanya tukusaidie?
Practically that is impossible. There is no way you can have the whole community 100% behind you. There are 2 to 3 individuals who are likely to oppose you, but that is excuses to have reasons as to why he's opposed to Fred Okengo Matiang'i's candidature 2027. But here, I have reasons why Rigathi Gachagua is not willing to support Fred Okengo Matiang'i for 2027 presidency. Before we go further into this topic, if this is something you are interested in, kindly stay in this video till the end, and kindly I request you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and in this particular video, kindly give me a thumbs up, just a like. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why is Rigathi Gachagua not keen in laying his support behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i?
Mimi pale kwetu nimekubalika. Yeah? Kwa hivyo mimi nikiongea, watu ya mlima wanajua naongea kwa niaba yao. Tunataka kujua kabisa huyu Fred Matiang'i amekubalika na jamii ya Gusii kama kiongozi wao. Unasikia? Sasa tunajua akija kwa meza amebeba jamii nzima. Na mimi hapo ndio niko na maneno kuona vijana wadogo, huyu kijana anaitwa Osoro, huyu anaitwa Nyakundi, wanamtusi Matiang'i. Na kusema ni mtu bure, hawezi akwende, atarudi Washington, hiyo mtu hawezani na Kenya nini. So nimeanza kushindwa. Huyu Matiang'i amekubalika kabisa kama kiongozi wa jamii.
Well, like I told you, is political party. Matiang'i leans more toward Uhuru Kenyatta, and there's a division in the mountain. We have 2 factions in the mountain. We have the faction which are pro Rigathi Gachagua. I think by the time of making this video, they are the majority, and there are those who support the former president Uhuru Kenyatta. So we have 2 parties, main parties from the mountain. We have Jubilee, which is which is associated with Uhuru Kenyatta. We have DCP, Rigathi Gachagua. So we have 2 parties fighting for the mountain. Rigathi Gachagua is so keen in making DCP a dominant party in the mountain. As we speak, Fred Okengo Matiang'i has no party. So there are speculations that Fred Okengo Matiang'i might actually use Jubilee as a political vehicle for his election, for his presidency in 2027. So, doing so, that is likely to be Matiang'i is likely to be a Mount Kenya candidate because Jubilee has roots za Mlima. So by doing so, if we have a presidential candidate from the mountain, they have a presidential candidate in the name of Fred Matiang'i under Jubilee as a party. That will automatically make Jubilee party a dominant party in the mountain. Rigathi Gachagua's party DCP suppressed, and hence, when we have a dominant party, a party with a presidential candidate, majority of the aspirants will tend to align themselves with the dominant party. That means we will have many number of elected leaders from the mountain under Jubilee as opposed to DCP. Rigathi Gachagua is doing everything humanly possible to popularize his party DCP, to have majority, to have as many seats as possible, so that in case they don't win presidents, he will have a very strong bargaining powers will sit on the table with confidence. Yo, I have numbers. So in a situation where they are going to fight, now the East Party is going to be suppressed now that it doesn't front any presidential candidate. Jubilee as a candidate in the name of Fred Matiang'i. Do you think Rigathi Gachagua will agree to that? No. And that is why he's giving Matiang'i conditions. One of the conditions is that Matiang'i should come with his own party. In fact, Matiang'i akikuja with his own party, then I don't think Rigathi Gachagua will have problems in working with Fred Matiang'i. But things could change. A lot could change. We're just waiting to see. Number 2, hey, Matiang'i, dictator. Matiang'i is a non-compromise. Matiang'i is a no-nonsense guy. Matiang'i is so tough. Rigathi Gachagua anaweza taka mtu anaweza easily control. Yo, I have numbers. Do A, B, C, D. Why do you think these guys walikosana na Ruto? Ruto is a no-nonsense man. Ruto is uncompromising. In fact, just working with Matiang'i, I feel like Matiang'i is tougher than William Ruto. In fact, working with Fred Matiang'i, Rigathi eti anataka kwa nguvu nifanyie hii. Matiang'i won't tolerate that kind of nonsense. Matiang'i won't tolerate those kind, like unamtreat kama remote, eti unamoperate, fanya hivi. Matiang'i is no nonsense. Haizi sikiza even the nature venye mnamwangalia. Matiang'i is so tough. So Rigathi Gachagua anaweza taka mtu anaweza control easily. And Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, that guy ni si mtafu sana. The nature of Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, that guy is soft. Huyu jamaa ni soft kidogo. Rigathi Gachagua anaweza mtumia vile anataka, but not to Fred Matiang'i. And I think kwa hiyo Gachagua is like, yo, ndio unaweza tusaidia kumtoa Ruto, but wewe bana utakuwa kama Ruto. Bana, tena tukosane. Do you think Rigathi Gachagua ataweza work na Fred Matiang'i? Si watakosana tu venye wamekosana na Ruto. Reasons, Matiang'i is tougher even than Ruto. Sijui kama we are together. Are we together? One, Uhuru Kenyatta factor. Uhuru Kenyatta and Rigathi Gachagua don't see eye to eye. Reasons, fighting for the mountain, fighting for the mlima. Nani ndio kusema. And Matiang'i associated being an ally to Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. I don't see Rigathi Gachagua supporting him. 2, Matiang'i is so tough. Matiang'i is a no-nonsense guy. Matiang'i is uncompromised. Matiang'i, there's no way you are going to convince him that, yo, nipe hii na hii. Matiang'i will ask you a lot of questions before you achieve your objectives. Matiang'i, so those are the reasons why Rigathi Gachagua is not keen in laying his support behind Fred Matiang'i. I might be wrong. This analysis is based on the available factors. Several factors are considered, but I could be wrong. Probably you have a divergent views. Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please, in this particular video, give me a like. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see each other. Let's meet in the next video. My name is AC Bon. Bye.